Hot and sour Thai-style green papaya salad is one of Thailand's most iconic and beloved dishes, appreciated for its complex and bold flavors, vibrant colors, and textural contrast. It is believed to have originated in the northeastern region of Thailand, but is now enjoyed the world over. First, let's go over some of the key ingredients. Here I have palm sugar, dried shrimp, a green papaya, fish sauce, and Thai bird chilies. Let's get started. Here I have a green papaya, which is simply a regular papaya that is unripe. First, peel the outside skin, slice in half, remove the seeds, and then julienne the rest. Using a deep clay mortar with a wooden pestle, pound together some roughly chopped scarlet cloves and Thai bird chilies. Pound together till pasty. Next, add some small dried shrimp and pound lightly to bruise. Toss in some long beans or green beans that have been blanched and cut into 1.5-inch lengths. Spoon in some fish sauce, lime juice, tamarind juice concentrate, and palm sugar syrup. Here I have melted some grated palm sugar with 1 teaspoon of water into a thick syrup. This can be used as necessary to balance with sour flavor notes. Gently pound a few times before adding the julienned green papaya and julienned carrot. Stir to mix. Add some halved cherry tomatoes and then gently pound, bruising the vegetables lightly. Next, using your hands, mix together all the flavorings and seasonings. Taste and adjust as needed with more fish sauce, lime juice, or palm sugar until it tastes balanced. Now we're ready to plate. Here I have some water spinach, which is a long, leafy green vegetable with hollow stems that grows in water or damp soil. Lay the water spinach in the bowl, along with some green cabbage wedges, our prepared papaya salad, and sprinkle with some chopped roasted peanuts. Green papaya salad can be enjoyed as a refreshing appetizer or side dish. It can also be served with steamed sticky rice or grilled chicken, staple foods of the northeastern region of Thailand. Complex and bold but perfectly balanced, this dish is a delightful signature of Thai cuisine.